Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll start today's analysis from the weekly time frame and understand the overall price action from the higher time frame. Then we'll narrow down the analysis to the lower time frames. Let us start with the analysis. So when we look at the overall price action, this is the highest point the price action had gone previously, which was around 2075, and then from here the price action took a bearish trend reversal and took support around the level of 1680. Then it started moving on a bullish side. So there was a downtrend and also on a bullish trend. Now when we look at the retracement level from this level, we'll use the Fibonacci's tool. So this was the highest level it has gone, and from here it has fallen to the level of this level, which was around 1678. The highest it has gone was 2075. And when we notice the price action within these ranges, during the fall also the price action went and retested this level. This is around 78.60 level. Then again it fell on the bearish side. Again it went up and tested this level, which is around 61.80 level. And after falling also on the retracement, again it went and tested this level of 61.80. It was retesting between the 78.60 and 61.80, or around 50%. So every time when it falls, it retraces, again falls, again retraces, again falls, again retraces. So it was always retracing to the level of 78.60 or 61.80 or 50%. So from this price action we understand that every time it touches these levels, trend reversal is happening in this commodity pair. And when we look at the current price action using the Fibonacci's extension tool, this is where the uptrend started. So I'm taking the lower level, and this is the highest it has gone. Again it has retraced up to the level of this level, which was around 1678. And when we look at the current price action, it has gone up to the level of 61.80. Then the trend reversal has happened, and currently the price action is trading around the level of 50%. And now we have to get the answer whether the uptrend is going to continue or a bearish trend reversal is going to happen. For this we have to understand the price action. So when we look at the price action, this is the highest it has gone, and retracement happened up to here. Again it tried to break this resistance level of 38.20. It couldn't break this resistance level. Again retracement happened, and it retraced to the same level where it started its bullish trend. Again it has gone on the bullish side and tested the level of 61.80. Now when we look at the chart formation, it has formed a double bottom pattern or W pattern, which means a trend reversal. So now we have the answer for our question. According to the chart pattern, the price action has to have a bearish trend reversal. But when we look at the past price action, where it has retraced up to the 60 level, and also it has retraced up to the 78.60 levels also. So we have to wait and see if the price action goes on the bullish side or if the price action takes a bearish trend reversal. But looking at the current price action, it has already retraced to some level. Even if the price action goes on the bullish side, we have an idea on the next target, which is going to be around 2169. These are all the levels in the weekly time frame. So the levels will be on the higher side, and we know that it has formed a W pattern, and this will be acting as a strong support or resistance level. So if the price action retraces, it has to break this neck level in order to continue its bearish trend reversal. And when we notice the price action on the left hand side from the past price action, this level was the highest level it has gone earlier also. So this level is very important, or this neck level is very important for the bearish trend reversal to happen. So from this we understand that even if the bearish trend reversal happens, we can expect a stop at the level of 1917, because it's a strong support from the past price action. So these are all the support and resistance levels in weekly time frame. These are all the higher time frame levels. So the target will be very far apart. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, the price action is continuously in a very strong bullish trend. So the price action has to break this trend line or the support line in order to start its bearish trend reversal. Currently you can notice that it has gone on a very sharp bullish trend and gone above the level of 2063, and it is in a retracement. And when we look at the retracement level using the Fibonacci tool, the bullish trend has started from this level and was continuously on a very strong bullish trend, and we can notice that this whole area is going to be acting as a very strong support if the bearish trend reversal is going to happen. Already we can notice that there is consolidation or price is stopping at these levels. Here also, before going on a bullish trend, it has consolidated at this level, then it started its bullish trend. So all these points are very important resistance level or the support level when the price action retraces. So I have marked the resistance and support level from the weekly and daily over here. Currently the price action is trading within this support and resistance level, and we can already notice that the price action has tested this level and has bounced back. So the price action has to break this support level in order to continue its bearish trend. But again we have the next level of support around 1923 to 1918. So if the bearish trend reversal needs to continue, it has to break this support level also. So we can expect the price action to take support at this level and go on a bullish trend, or we can expect it to take support at this level and to continue its bullish trend, because we already know that from the past price action this level had acted as a neck level for the double bottom pattern. So this level is very important point if the bearish trend reversal needs to happen. So currently the price action in daily time frame also is in a retracement, not a bearish trend reversal. Only when it crosses this support zone we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen, and next level of supports are going to be these levels. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action, it is still in a very strong bullish trend, and it has tested the resistance level of 2069 and the retracement has started. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it has formed a similar to one head and shoulder pattern, and the price action has to break this support line in order to continue its bearish trend reversal. So this level of 1961 is acting as a very strong support for the bearish trend reversal in hourly time frame. But overall when we look at the price action, I am drawing a trend line over here. We can clearly notice that it has taken resistance at this level, and we can expect a bounce back from this level, because this whole area is acting as a very strong resistance zone which is from the daily time frame. So if the price action has to continue its bullish trend, it has to break this resistance level. If the Ukraine-Russia war tension continues, we can expect it to break this strong resistance level also and to continue its bullish trend. Currently the price action is retesting to break this resistance area. Let us wait and see if the bullish trend starts or not. Presently it has come down and retraced. We can also expect the price action to continue its downtrend by retracing this way. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating within this support and resistance levels. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a parallel line or the channel pattern. I am taking the high over here and I am drawing a trend line over here, and we can clearly notice that it is in a downtrend, but we have the higher time frame trend line or the support line over here, the black color line, and it has taken support on this trend line. Let us wait and see if it breaks this higher time frame resistance area. Only when it breaks this resistance area, we can expect the bullish trend to start in 30 minutes time frame, or else we can expect the downtrend to continue within this channel pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break this resistance level from the higher time frame, and if the Ukraine-Russia war tension continues, we can expect it to break this resistance level and to continue its bullish trend. But presently it is on a retracement and trading within a bearish channel pattern. If the price action bounces back from this resistance level, these are all the support levels or the lower side targets. You can use it as a reference for entry and exit on your trades. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it was trading around the level of 1993 and went on a bearish trend reversal and formed a double bottom pattern, and currently it is retesting on the previous resistance level of 1990. This whole area is acting as a very strong resistance for the price action in 5 minutes time frame. And when we look at the price action, it is consolidating within this resistance and support level. The levels marked in red color are the higher time frame resistance levels. If the price action needs to continue its bullish trend, it has to break this resistance zone to continue. And currently the price action is taking support on the hourly time frame trend line. So if the price action needs to take a bearish trend reversal, it has to break this trend line, then to start its bearish trend reversal. And from 30 minutes time frame also we have drawn the channel pattern. As long as the price action is trading within this channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently it is consolidating. Wait for it to give a directional breakout, then you can go on a bullish side or bearish side trade. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.